Okay, so there's just one thing that we need to change really quickly. At the moment, you've got all of these default pizzas showing, and these will always exist in the database, even when the database gets completely deleted. These will always be put back. However, we've now added a few pizzas to the database. So wouldn't it be great if our all pizzas page had our pizzas on it rather than the default ones? So it's really easy to do that. If you have a look at the docs of the Pizzeria API, you'll see that if we add our student key to the end of this kind of pizza index URL, we will then instead get our pizzas rather than the default pizzas. So we've done this already in the last session, but what I'm going to do here is let's go back to our pizza index page, go to the get pizzas function, and then in here, I'm just going to say const student key equals, and then it's process.env, process.env for environment, .react underscore app, and then let's just remind ourselves what the actual environment key was. So just go into my .env file. Okay, react underscore app underscore student underscore key. I'm actually just going to copy this because that means I won't make any typos. We'll get that student key here and save it in this variable. So I'm going to change this to a template literal. And we will say, add this as a query string. So question mark student underscore key equals, and then curly brackets, dollar curly brackets, sorry. And we will add in student key here. So if I save this now and our page refreshes, there we go. We've got all of kind of our own pizzas showing up. Obviously, you can see that I've submitted the form a couple of times here with the same data, but you should have one or more pizzas of your own in the database showing up here instead. Of course, this still works. We can go ahead and click on them and we will get to the detail page of that pizza.